FUCHS CASSIDA FM GREASE EP 1.5 is an excellent choice for frequent washdown applications in the food processing and pharmaceutical industry because it is specifically manufactured to withstand water washouts in different applications in bearings, slideways, and other equipment parts. Its modified aluminum complex thickener gives it an excellent adhesion property, an excellent mechanical stability, and wonderful corrosion protection. All these together help reduce lubrication loss, help reduce relubrication interval, and also it helps reduce downtime. Also, it is ISO certified and NSF registered. So let's work together to help improve your equipment downtime and improve your lubricant reliability with the right choice of food grade grease. Thank you.